Hey, Leanne Piano here, Fine Tuning for Success speaker, sharing another tip from my Go For It keynote presentation. In my research about vision, it's taken me into the realm of quantum physics and neuroscience to answer the all-important question, why is it important to start with vision? Well, as you know, quantum physics is the study of a world that is so small that we cannot see it with our eyes, but nonetheless, it exists. So we live in two worlds, one that we can see and the one that we cannot see. Now, scientists have proven that these two worlds are interconnected in every way. So it's important for us to know how we can benefit from these two worlds if we're living in them, right? The cool thing is that there's been a new discovery in the realm of quantum physics, and it's that the more intently we focus and create an image of what we want in our life via a vision through our imagination and emotionalize it, and we do this consistently, we are going to activate that realm of quantum physics, that realm of possibility and probability. I know, as weird as it sounds, it's actually been proven by science. So when you have a vision, you're creating a gap between where you are and where you want to be. And if you can stay focused on that vision, make sure it's very specific, very clear, and you can attach an emotion of absolute belief and expectation, you're going to become kind of a magnet, attracting to you everything you need to have that vision manifest. Now, there's another equation to what I'm talking about, and that is the brain-heart connection. What that tells us is that the brain creates the image, the heart creates the feelings. And what happens is when that you have the brain and heart working together, the brain and heart release a frequency into the atmosphere that permeates and penetrates both time and space. In other words, it attracts to you very quickly the pieces of the puzzle in order to create that image in reality. Now, this isn't actually new discovery. It's really a biblical principle. In the book of Proverbs, there's a proverb that says, as a man thinks, so is he. Here's a practical example. Jim Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million 5 years before he was cast in the blockbuster Dumb and Dumber. Now, that was his breakthrough movie, and guess what? They paid him $10 million. 5 years before he was cast, he carried around that check. He looked at it every day. He believed that he was going to receive that $10 million for a movie. And he did. You know, I've used this concept over and over in my life, even when I didn't realize the power behind it. 17 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. And every time I went to the hospital to receive a radiation treatment, I had a total of 36. I remember laying down and the fear would just kind of come over me. So in order to combat that fear, I would create an image of the future that I desired. I would see myself 5 years out, 10 years out, 15 years out, doing exactly what I'm doing today. I love to help people rise higher and achieve more, to tap more of their capacity, to achieve their dreams. That's the vision that I have for my life. And I always say a worthwhile vision is one that adds value to others. You don't want to create a selfish vision or a superficial vision. A worthwhile vision is one that adds value to others. Well, in my next video, I'm going to break this down very practically for you, and I'm going to give you 7 ways that you can create habits on a daily basis that will accelerate your dream achieving capability. Leanne Piano here. I just want to tell you that I'm committed to fine-tuning your success. I'll catch you on the next video.